How we're spending our money has changed so much over the past 12 months. Whether you have saved more or exhausted your funds, we all need a little financial inspiration to help us save where we can. So here is your 20 tried and tested money-saving tactics. You'll be amazed at just how much you can save without even trying. Welcome back to another episode of Living Fire. If you never want to miss an upload, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Number 1, save first, spend later. Pay yourself first. If you do this, it's a sure way towards financial freedom. Use the 50-30-20 flexible approach to budgeting. This means 50% of your take-home pay goes to your needs, like bills, food, minimum debt payments, while 30% goes towards fun, eating out, etc., and 20% goes to future you, like debt payments above the minimum, saving for emergencies, and investing. If this split doesn't work for you, when money is tight, you can adjust the ratios as you go. Number 2, don't pay interest on your credit card debt. If you've got card debt, put a strategy in place for getting rid of it. Don't panic if you haven't got a handy lump sum to magic away the full amount. You can achieve the same end result by transferring the debt to a 0% balance credit card to avoid paying interest for a fixed time, up to 30 months, and paying off a set amount every month. Some cards come with a small balance transfer fee, so make sure you do the math. Do set up a direct debit to avoid missing minimum payments and being stung with high charges. If you still have debt after the 0% period ends, move to another deal. Do not use this card for purchases. Find the best 0% balance transfer card using comparison sites like MoneyFacts and Money Supermarket. Number 3, stay on track. Don't let cash slip through your fingers. With digital bank Monzo, you can transfer a set amount of spending money to your card, while prepaid cards like MoneyEase and TransferWise only let you spend what you load. Too high-tech? Set up a day-to-day spending account with its own card and transfer your weekly disposable income onto it. Number 4, use an incognito browser. Going incognito when you shop online can help you save money by automatically deleting your browser history when you close a tab. This means companies can't track what you're looking at and put prices up. Yes, it happens. So it will be especially useful for planning your next holiday. Number 5, don't splurge on payday. A survey revealed 1 in 5 people spend over half their spare monthly wages within 48 hours of getting paid. Don't let your disposable income burn a hole in your wallet. Always ask yourself if you really need it. Prioritize your most important outgoings, plus something for the savings pot before you start spending. That way, you'll know how much disposable income you really have to last the rest of the month. Number 6, round up your spare change. Some savings accounts and apps allow you to round up your everyday expenses to the nearest $1 or $5. The change then goes straight into a savings account or investment portfolio, depending on the design of the app or account. Number 7, paying down your car loan or other major debt. Making extra payments towards any debt or loans you have can save you thousands in interest and allow you to earn up to 36% annually, depending on the creditor you borrowed from and their terms and conditions. Number 8, weather the storm. If the current crisis has taught us anything, it's the importance of a rainy day fund. If yours has taken a battering recently, or you never really had one, start saving. Anything is better than nothing. The rule of thumb is to have 3 months' income saved for emergencies, and ideally 6 if you have a mortgage. Number 9, beware the BOGOFs. How many times have you walked into a supermarket and fallen victim to a BOGOF or a BOGOF? Buy one, get one free deal. We've all done it. We go to do the monthly food shopping and we get swept away by all the money-saving opportunities that we see on the shelves. The money you spend buying 3 bottles of Coke when you only need 1 is significant, and these deals not only cost you dearly, but may also contribute to food waste. So next time you go shopping, use the calculator on your phone to work out how much you could save by not falling for the BOGOFs. Number 10, switch supplier. Spend 15 minutes on a comparison site, and you are almost guaranteed to find cheaper deals on your household bills. If you haven't done this in the last 18 months, now might be a good time to grab your latest utility statements and check out comparison sites such as USwitch or Money Supermarket. Don't stop there. When the insurance comes up for renewal, look around for cheaper deals. Number 11, remortgage. If your fixed-term mortgage deal has come to an end, you may be paying a loyalty penalty of high interest. So talk to your mortgage broker about remortgaging to the best deal for now, or find an independent mortgage advisor. Number 12, shop for own brand. Swapping branded products for own brand alternatives is an easy way to slash the price of your shopping bill, from cornflakes and pasta to oven chips and washing up liquid. If you're worried about the quality being compromised, blind test them out on the family first. If they don't notice the difference, you're onto a winner. Number 13, waste less food. Almost 3/4 of what we throw away in the home is edible. Make a conscious effort to use everything you buy and you'll save a fortune. If you're worried about food safety, remember, a use-by date is the cutoff after which it is not considered safe to eat the food. However, eating food past a best before date won't cause any health issues. Number 14, claim back money with your name on it. From forgotten bank accounts to tax rebates, you could be sitting on a pot of gold without even realizing it. Do you hold a sneaking suspicion that there might be savings somewhere with your name on it? If you think you may be on an incorrect tax code, get in touch with HMRC. The same applies to council tax. You can challenge your band if you've lived somewhere for fewer than 6 months or the area has changed. Number 15, check your insurance policy. If you're going to be using your car less as a result of the pandemic and working from home more, check that your car insurance is still the right fit. Never auto-renew. Always check for better deals via your existing supplier and comparison. Number 16, cut your grocery bill. Buying only what you need may sound like an obvious way to save money, but it can be easier said than done. Once you've planned your meals for the week ahead, get to know the world food aisle in your supermarket. It hides savings of up to 75% on cupboard staples including rice, lentils, beans, spices, and sauces. Shop in the evenings for discounts. Look at lower supermarket shelves for smaller prices. Don't pay for plastic bags. And by placing your newly bought items in the right areas of the fridge, freezer, and cupboard, this will make your fruit and veggies last longer. Number 17, have a no-spend day. Exercise some self-discipline and try to have at least one no-spend day each week. It'll make you more careful with your cash in the long term. This can be as simple as having last night's leftovers rather than buying lunch out, snacking from only your weekly shop, and carrying coffee or tea in a keep cup. Require more than one brew a day? Many chains cut the price of your beverage if you bring a portable mug. You can cheat on travel expenses if it's absolutely necessary, or get paid to walk with smartphone apps such as 𝐦𝐨𝐬 and Better Points, which exchange your steps for store discounts and freebies. Number 18, check your workplace pension. Make sure you are checking in with and making the most of your workplace pension. When you start at a new company or when your employer sets up a new pension scheme, you will usually receive information to agree to the percentage of your salary that will be paid into your workplace pension. Your employer will then deduct your pension contributions directly from your wages before paying you. It's important to check your pension to make sure you're saving enough for retirement and you're happy with how your pension is being invested. It's also important to check whether your employer will match dollar for any personal contributions you make, which is like a pay raise or free money for your future self. Number 19, paperless energy bills. If you ditch paper bills and become an online customer, you're almost always likely to get access to a range of better deals and cheaper plans. Not to mention, you can monitor and manage your accounts online or through a smartphone app. Number 20, track your spending. The more conscious you are of what you are spending, the less likely you are to overspend. Use free budgeting apps to monitor all your accounts in one place on a handy dashboard. Digital banks like Monzo and Starling are also great at helping you manage your spending with a number of budgeting tools within their apps. It could be useful to check your current spending pattern, as it may differ from your usual one. And with that, we've reached the end of this episode, all about the fundamental tricks to saving money as a beginner. Are you savvy with your money? Do you save? And if so, what methods do you utilize? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed this one and found it helpful, remember to leave a like on the video and to subscribe to Living Fire for even more amazing videos just like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.